Get ready for some mind-blowing new Photoshop magic. Adobe just dropped an update that is about to change image editing as we know it. I'm talking about the game-changing new Generative Fill features powered by insane AI technology. This radically advanced tool lets you transform ordinary photos in unbelievable new ways you never could have imagined. Creativity on steroids doesn't even begin to describe it. Make sure you watch until the very end, because I'll be unveiling the top new capabilities that you definitely don't want to miss. The new Generative Fill works by using AI to generate stunningly realistic pixels tailored to your image selections. I've cooked up a special tour of the 5 most amazing features for you today, saving the best for last. This revolutionary new tool is available now through the Photoshop beta, so go grab it from the Creative Cloud app to follow along and unlock a whole new world of creative possibilities. I won't give away too much up front. You'll have to keep watching as I go through each mind-blowing feature one by one. Get ready to have your mind blown and take your images to the next level. The future is here and it's looking pretty amazing. The first killer feature of Generative Fill is the ability to easily remove distracting objects from your images. Let's say you have a great vacation photo that is ruined by random tourists walking through the scene. Just make a rough selection around them, hit generate and poof, they are gone. The AI generates pixels that realistically extend the background. You don't have to be super precise with your selection either. This makes deleting unwanted objects so much faster compared to traditional cloning and healing workflows. Another insane feature is generating entirely new backgrounds. Simply use the Select Subject option to isolate your main subject. Invert the selection to get the background and hit Generate with whatever landscape you want. The AI creates a completely realistic environment. I'm talking reflections, lighting, shadows. Everything is matched. The Generative Fill also makes extending images a breeze. Let's say you want to change the aspect ratio of a shot or create a panorama. Just expand the canvas size, make a selection on the edges and hit Generate. Photoshop will intelligently fill in realistic details to match. It even gets finer details like patterns and textures, right? No cloning is necessary. Being able to quickly reframe shots lets you get way more creative with the look of your images. I'm barely scratching the surface here. We still have to talk about how you can generate reflections, create full composites, blend disparate images, and so much more. But just from these 3 features, you can see why Photoshop's new Generative Fill is taking the internet by storm. Creative workflows that used to require advanced skills now only take a few clicks. I don't say this lightly, but I think this will completely change both digital art and photography forever. The AI train is moving fast, so you owe it to yourself to start playing around with this amazing new tech. Let me know in the comments what you think of Photoshop's new Generative Fill. Game changer or just hype? I want to hear your thoughts. Moving on, one of my favorite features of the new Generative Fill is the ability to automatically generate realistic reflections. In the past, creating reflections manually was a tedious process that never looked quite right. But with AI, you get perfect reflections every time with just a click. Let's say you have an image with a lake in the foreground. Make a selection around the water, generate a fill to add realistic reflections, and Photoshop creates beautiful contouring water reflections tailored to your image. The AI understands things like light direction, ripples, movement, and transparency to make it look like a real photo, and it only takes seconds versus the hours it used to take me cloning reflections by hand. Being able to quickly add water really enhances landscape shots. No more searching Google for reflection stock photos that never quite match. Another aspect where the AI really shines is generating realistic objects like cars, animals, or people. You can literally add anything imaginable to your scenes. You can also make a selection for where you want to add something new, like a vehicle, building, or animal. Type a descriptive prompt, generate the fill, and the AI will realistically match perspective, lighting, and other elements. The crazy part is that the added objects actually look like they belong. The AI perfectly matches lighting, shadows, perspective, colors, and other elements. In the past, I'd use 3D renders for composites, but they never quite blended right. But now you can populate scenes however you like, and it's totally convincing. Speaking of composites, now you can actually build entire scenes from scratch using the Generative Fill. Start with a blank canvas, make selections piece by piece, generate elements like sky, water, background objects, and foreground objects, and let the AI stitch it all together into something totally unique. By generating parts individually, you have full control over the look and can pick the variation you like best for each part. The AI matches lighting, perspective, color palette, and other attributes between elements to create a cohesive final image. With practice and experimentation, you can guide the AI to construct full environments piece by piece, from landscapes to cityscapes and more. It takes some trial and error, but the results can be amazing. The days of hand-blending composites or searching for stock assets that don't match are over. Now you can construct scenes from your imagination, and the Generative Fill handles seamlessly integrating everything. It's an intuitive way to create complex images that tell visual stories, and the AI just keeps getting better with each new Photoshop update. The creative possibilities unlocked by building full scenes piece by piece are truly limitless. You can let your imagination run wild constructing entirely original environments. It's like having a team of visual effects artists inside Photoshop. No more struggling for hours hand-blending layers in a vain attempt to mimic real life. The AI does it for you in seconds. Just think of the new creative frontiers this opens up. Composite photography will never be the same, and the rabbit hole goes even deeper. And finally comes the mind-blowing use of the Generative Fill, which is seamlessly blending disjointed images together. Because now we come to what I consider the most mind-blowing capability of them all. I hinted earlier that I saved the best for last, and here it is. With just a few clicks, you can seamlessly blend completely unrelated images into a cohesive final product. I'm not exaggerating when I say this will change the world of compositing forever. Imagine blending landscapes, portraits, textures, and 3D elements. The possibilities are endless. The AI handles the hard parts like lighting and perspective. Let's say you want to combine a portrait with a landscape background. Simply import the images, make a selection on the border between them, generate a fill, and Photoshop will intelligently stitch them together into a cohesive image. The AI generates pixels that transition perfectly from one photo to the other, matching color tones, lighting, textures, and other attributes. Of course, you can get creative and use this to construct completely unique images by blending a mix of photos. The Generative Fill overcomes tricky parts like making sure perspective, scale, lighting, and other factors align. This opens up all sorts of artistic possibilities for collage-like imagery. Overall, the main benefit of these AI tools is the sheer amount of time they save. Tasks that used to take me hours of tedious manual labor now take just a few minutes with a couple of clicks. Removing objects, adding reflections, generating backgrounds. All things that used to require complex selections, masking and blending can now be done instantly. This lets you get right to the creative parts without getting bogged down in technical details. It's incredibly freeing. Plus, AI capabilities will only continue to improve over time. I can't even imagine what will be possible a few years from now. In conclusion, Photoshop's new Generative Fill features are an absolute game changer. With the power of AI, you can now manipulate images in ways that were previously only possible for expert artists and compositing pros. It makes creating professional-level photo manipulations accessible to anyone. I haven't been this excited about new creative technology in a long time. This feels like the future. So start playing around with it today and let me know what you think. I definitely recommend getting the Photoshop beta to experience it yourself. Love it or hate it, this is the direction image editing is moving. The AI train is full steam ahead, so you might as well hop on board. And that's all for today. If you're excited about AI innovations and want to stay updated with the latest trends and insights, subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, AI is not our enemy, but our ally, ushering us into a future of endless possibilities.